saying anything about it. But did you ever think that you will be writing scripts when you were reading those scripts?
No, not at all. I never ever saw myself as an author or writing a book. कभी नहीं मतलब, and I take this as a gift, and I also say this at times. You know, you really want something, and you work hard for it. You wait for it, and that thing takes time. But this happened to me as a gift, really. I still remember, like maybe around 2.5 years ago, I was at a store in Delhi. I happened to ask for a book, and then I started having conversation with that person about, okay, what are you doing? And when they got to know about my edtech venture, the program that we offer, so he said, we would love to publish this in a form of a book. That would be very helpful. And I still didn't take that seriously, but I kept working towards it. I kept giving my draft, kept writing, but then when I actually saw the cover page with my name, so I'm like, dude, this is serious. Ye ho raha hai. And that's what has happened with me.
That's an amazing feeling, something that an author would have lived. So I have a follow-up question for Prateek, where I was asked technically that do you read? But I think that's a wrong question to ask because of course you're reading scripts. So did you ever think of writing?
A lot of times, and could never start. As I said, that there is a clear-cut anxiety when you see the blank page in front of you. There are 1,000 thoughts in your mind. Maybe one particular subject that you are keen about and you are passionate about to write. But how to start? And most of the time, what we do is that we start rewriting in our mind before we write. So we never put that first line and first word on the page, and we never start. So I guess I'm one of those who never started writing, but had a lot of ideas in mind. Like there are a lot of people who are working in corporates, there are a lot of students who are still studying, but they have 1,000 ideas of startups. But till the time you take that first step, with that readiness to fail, it'll never happen.
Is it that you have those scripts and you're not yet ready to share because it's not complete?
In my mind, yes, it's not complete, and I guess I don't know when will I have that courage to write and tear the paper again and then rewrite again.
He's got scripts and startup ideas as well, which he very good ideas, which he has कुछ आगे तक ले गए हैं. That time will come. Yeah.
Okay. So Shraddha, the book which says Thrive in Corporate, and as I started the conversation with, सबके लिए the meaning is very different. You thrive differently in different domains and places. But what does this book actually has to say to people, and why does it exist?
Yes, very important. Why this book exists and who is this for, really? So, for so many of us, when we must be younger. So, when we suddenly happen to be in bigger cities, meeting people who seem to be more polished, more confident, and having more exposure, and you feel a sense of lack. You feel, अपने आप को हम छोटा feel करने लगते हैं. I have felt that myself. I know what that feeling is. So essentially, this book is for two kinds of people. First category is students who are getting ready to get into the professional world. See, हमारी कॉलेज की दुनिया और हमारी कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड बहुत अलग होते हैं. और अगर आप प्रिपेयर नहीं हो उस कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड के लिए, तो इनिशियल राइड बहुत बम्पी हो जाती है. इट कैन बी अनकंफर्टेबल, और आपका जो ट्रेजेक्ट्री होनी चाहिए वो वैसी हो नहीं पाती है. एंड सेकेंड कैटेगरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इज फॉर पीपल हु आर already working, but they are in their early to mid stage of their careers, wherein you think that you are hardworking, honest and sincere, but you feel that others around you are getting more importance. उनका ज़्यादा promotion हो रहा है, उनको ज़्यादा value मिल रही है, उनको ज़्यादा responsibility दी जा रही है, and you think that what am I missing? Why am I not there? So this book will give you those missing pieces. So this is what the book for.
I think we have got the gist, guys, why we should be picking up the book, reading. Of course, as Shraddha said, it is nothing to be like that, कोई learning है या कोई ज्ञान है. It is something that you guys or all of us, we come across with in our daily lives, and maybe जाने अनजाने में we don't even try to notice it. और अगर हमें पता भी होता है, maybe we don't try to work on it too much. So maybe most of the time, which I feel that a book does the talking. When you don't realize and understand things yourself, the book helps you because again you feel that it's written, so it hits you in a different way. So that is your cue to pick the book. With that, Priti, so you have lived a corporate journey and a good long one. Any learning or something that you have still taken it till date?
So there are many from the corporate world that I've learned and I've started using in my regular life. Even as an actor, it helped me a lot. As she said correctly, that there are a lot of people that you see around you. You are almost peers, working in a similar profile, at a similar level of the corporate level. And suddenly you feel that you are lagging behind somewhere. Technically, you may be equal, maybe coming from the same college with the same grades, but still there is something that is putting that person in a growth path which is faster than yours. So the biggest missing link, and I would say even for actors, even for artists, in all the schools and colleges everywhere, technical knowledge is being taught.
Right.
You get to practice it. But on the name of soft skills, only spoken English or spoken languages is taught, and there are soft skills which are not structured that way, where anybody talks about it. And that's the biggest missing link that I've seen. And a lot of the times what happens is that individuals start putting blame to the world around. कि मुझे आता है, मुझे सब समझ है, लोगों को मेरी कदर नहीं. And the moment they start thinking like this, there is an unsaid negativity that creeps in. And suddenly you feel that whatever he or she is doing, everything is fine. But something is not working, that spark is missing, and that spark is that positive approach towards life, which comes with that soft skill if you possess. So many times, I've also seen, even in local trains, where you see somebody who's not getting a seat, but just looking into their eyes and you feel like giving away your seat, right? Where is it coming from? I get that emotional intelligence, that something is not spoken but still communicated well. This is what I've constantly seen in corporate world. And the biggest learning that I've taken from corporate world is that communicate without touching the other person's ego. I guess that's the magical thing. Even on shoot, set, we constantly manage egos. There are 1,000 ideas. It's a collaborative medium anyways, even in corporate. So when you are, presenting your ideas to your seniors, it is very difficult not to, touch their egos in the wrong way. Yet put your idea, your thought strongly enough, with full conviction. And even if they are not on side, how do you buy into them? How do you take them on your side? This is something I guess no school, college can teach. It is something that you learn when you are on the job. And when you can face, you are ready to fail. But this is a missing link, it's a huge missing link. And I guess this learning from corporate is helping me throughout.
That's amazing. So, meanwhile, while you were talking, something framed in my mind, though I wasn't supposed to ask, but anyways. This question is for both of you. You said that there is a lack of emotional intelligence. And it is not to be, blamed because, again, people get it and gather it in different stages of their life. Is there something that, kids or younger people can start doing from the very younger age so that starts building along with the society they live around?
There are a lot of things, and I'm sure books like this, which put the whole thing in a structured thought process. While reading it, you realize there are areas to work upon. There are certain areas that you may be really strong at. So books like this will definitely help. More so, I guess, schools and colleges and all those institutions where technical education is being taught, a dedicated course, a dedicated approach towards building a soft skill as a curriculum should be taken seriously, I guess, right at the younger age for the kids. Because most of the time kids don't know. And as parents also, like we I guess, we just take it as it comes. He or she is a little introvert. They don't like to talk. It's not about they don't like to talk. They like to play, they like to talk to people, they like to make friends. But why are they not opening up clearly? Why are they not able to express themselves? Is something that one needs to work with a structured manner is what I feel. And that will definitely make a huge difference.
मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है जैसे कि आजकल के जो छोटे बच्चे हैं ना उनको फिर भी ये चीज़ें मिल जाती है. You are a father, you'll know better. The people who are older, maybe in their 30s and 40s ना उनके बचपन में उतना सिखाया नहीं गया था ये कॉन्फिडेंस वाला एस्पेक्ट. और जैसे मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम इंडियंस we are hardworking, we are honest, we are sincere, but especially when we deal with people outside our country, so पता है वो होता है, you know, these the Westerners, the kind of confidence they have, somewhere we feel subservient, and I feel like no, we have everything, we can't be subservient, like we have to be someone very like, oh wow, you're from India, so sharp. That should be the thing, you know. I really feel that from it.
And I guess it has multiple layers to it. The way I've seen in my corporate world is that there are so many intelligent engineers that I've worked with. They are phenomenal in their ideas, in their approach. But the moment you ask them to put a presentation, first they will not like it. Second, if they are forced to do it, it's very difficult for them to communicate their ideas. So now it is up to the audience to understand the ideas, not up to them. They say, if you don't understand, it's your loss. Now that doesn't communicate anything. It's a complete loss for the corporate also, for the team also, and for the individual also. So how do you communicate to the group? Now there are structured methods to it. How do I, have enough curiosity?
Where is the book coming?
Yeah. And how do I create enough curiosity in the audience? So that when they hear my first 2 lines, they really want to hear my last line also. I don't know how to teach this, but books will definitely help.
I think you and Shraddha should do a collaboration writing a book.
चल से?
Chance, you write it and I'll read it.
Thank you so much, guys. Amazing talking to you. I would not like to let you guys be isolated. I want to come back to all of you. So, I have a set of questions which I feel that I would like to ask to all of you. आप लोगों ने भी corporate, even for everyone, even the people who have come to support, friends and family, I would want all of you to support if you have answers towards it. So the first question goes. हाँ, please do. Should I get the chair on the stage for you both? You should be here. Okay, I'll come back to asking my questions.
चाहा बोल रहे हैं।
Okay,
चाहा productivity.
Coffee/tea?
Yeah, green tea.
Green tea. Love it. Okay.
Can I add?
हाँ, please.
So I think multitasking, when we talk about multitasking, it's about doing multiple things at a time.
Right.
So it's a good word, but practically it never happens that way.
Correct.
Your brain always compartmentalizes things. So you are practically doing one thing at a time. You may be handling multiple things in 1 minute. But in 1 minute, whenever you're handling one thing, you just are doing that one particular thing. So multitasking may create immediate fatigue for sure. But multi-skilling is something which is more productive, which can improve your productivity like anything. And the first point about meetings, I think yes, in Mumbai's traffic, everything should be online.
Now we have the best. Follow me. So,
Corporate question पूछ रहा हूँ actors को.
sorry, I take my words back. I'll go back to Hindi, my भाषा. So, कभी ऐसा हुआ हो, वो सबसे खराब एक्सक्यूज आपने क्या दिया है किसी को, जब किसी ने आपसे इतनी लंबी चौड़े भाषण देके वेंट लाइक कि अच्छा आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इसके ऊपर?
नहीं, ज्यादातर पहली बात है कॉर्पोरेट के साथ हमारा अभी तक लेना देना नहीं था.
सर एक्टिंग में कर लेते हैं.
एक्टिंग में नहीं, अभी तो फिलहाल एक्टर्स कॉर्पोरेट में ही है. चाहे वो टेलीविजन हो, फिल्म हो, हर जगह बम्बू जो होता है कॉर्पोरेट. सो एक्टर्स हैव कम इनटू कॉर्पोरेट नाउ अननोइंगली, नॉट कॉन्शियसली, हमको पता नहीं, बट समवेयर प्राइवेट जितने भी प्रोड्यूसर्स चले गए सब कॉर्पोरेट आ गए, तो इनडायरेक्टली, अननोइंगली, अनविलिंगली वी आर इन कॉर्पोरेट नाउ. और कॉर्पोरेट के जितने ट्रेड्स हैं इसके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है. हम लोग ना बहुत नादान बन के बैठे रहते हैं, दुनिया को जैसे डांस करना है करने दो, तो वी जस्ट प्ले एज इफ वी डोंट नो एंड वी डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट, है ना. वो अपने स्मार्टनेस दिखाएंगे, बोला सर आपने सुना नहीं क्या, सुनते सब हैं, हम उतना ही खींचते जितना खींचना होता है. सिलेक्टिव है.
So the safe answer.
Yeah, अगर if I give an answer, there has to be 2 ways to it. सर ऐसा क्यों है, वैसा क्यों है. उससे अच्छा वो बंद मुट्ठी जो बोलते हैं ना लाखों की, वो keep it close and close to your heart. Don't disclose what you're thinking. Don't disclose what you want to do, what your next move is. I think corporately also that is fine. Not to disclose your moves, है ना. So हाँ, so जब पूछेंगे उसका जवाब जो appropriate मेरे पास होगा मैं दूंगा और genuinely दूंगा. ऐसा नहीं कि I won't play around the bush के भाई ऐसा नहीं होता, नहीं, I'll be harsh, I'll be hard on what I say.
That's
है ना,
a
आपको
brilliant
अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे, because I don't live in the corporate world, indirectly I am. Can't help.
That's a brilliant advice. You picked up the mic.
पोजीशन पे भी आ रहा हूँ, प्लस घर का टेंशन भी। They are multitasking.
Actors can get away with this.
Please.
Sorry, I just went with what Shreya sir said. Whatever he said, actors can very nicely get away with this.
Or even
But
seniors in the
corporate
corporate.
world में अगर ऐसा हो, and if I don't hear anything, I'll say sorry, come again.
Seniors in the
I'll
corporate
say,
also
"Please repeat it
get
again."
away very easily. Most of the time that I've seen,
Yeah.
if you happen to ask the senior to whom you're presenting,
Yeah.
sir, do you have any point to this? Can I go to the next slide? And if they are caught off guard, immediately are
वो भी तुम्हारी गलती है।
नहीं, अगर
or
मुझे
there another answer is, I have something in mind. Then you can't cross question that. But if you're a junior, you can.
Yeah, but you know what? Sometimes
So
when
यहाँ
I'm
पे भी acting करनी पड़ती है।
right, I'm smart. तो मैं बोलती हूँ, you are not clear, sir. I'll say, come again. You are not clear. What was your question again? Simple as that.
You
That
put
way
that
you're
person in
safe
the
as well.
spotlight.
Like, you know what? I was not off.
So everybody who works in corporates here, so corporates में एक senior position पे आने के बाद आपको थोड़ी acting आनी चाहिए।
Absolutely.
मौली बोलेगी भाई मैं कर भर के एक पोजीशन पे जाके अब मैं निकल गई हूँ।
Thank you. That's lovely ideas. Even the ideas.
जवाब देते हैं वैसा जवाब देने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त लगता है। इस पहले ना बोलना लगता है, ना जिसको ना बोलना आता है ना वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट आदमी लगता था, ये ना बोल सकते हैं और ऐसे ना बोलते हैं कि सामने वाले को बुरा भी नहीं लगता है, बट दे टेक इट वेरी पॉजिटिव कि सर नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल कम विद अनदर स्क्रिप्ट। हम उस नोट पे खत्म करना चाहते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि यार तुम मतलब ऐसे कैसे हमें ना बोलते। सो दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली एन आर्ट, हाउ डू यू से नो टू इट। There are no template reasons that anybody, I guess, if I talk about myself, there are no template reasons that I select with or reject with. But the only thing is that if I can see myself throughout the narration, if that's a 3 hours narration that I'm taking, start to finish, I can get connected to the script, the world, and I can see myself doing it, then it works. But the moment, and that's the reason that I like to hear it out from the director. Even if I have read the script, I want to have a narration from the director, because something which is not written in the script, the kind of vocabulary that they use when they narrate, tells a lot about their vision. And whenever they use some loose sentence, some loose words, you know that okay, there is something which is not taking good shape. Especially in comedy, where there are sir यहाँ पर ना फिर एक comedy scene है, ऐसा line सुन के ही ऐसा लगता है कि it's a big red flag now. I don't think it's making any sense. Because ये ऊपर से डाला हुआ जो force लगता है, this is the only thing. I mean, it's a very gut-based decision. So gut-based decision also comes with a lot of experience. I guess I would agree to that. कि आप एक बार सुन के आपको पता चलता है there is something in this, or it's just not working. But हाँ, बड़ा project है. जब स्क्रिप्ट की शुरुआत ऐसे होती है ना, सर एक बिग बजट फिल्म बना रहे हैं, that's a complete no कि नहीं करना। क्योंकि बिग बजट फिल्म बना रहे हो उसके बाद स्क्रिप्ट लिखना शुरू होगा तो बहुत ही मतलब डामाडोल सिचुएशन है। तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है वैसे, इसलिए मैं तो गट फील पे ही डिसीजन लेता हूँ।
I guess sir will have a lot of stories.
Sir, how do we say no? मना कैसे करना है सर?
स्क्रिप्ट सुन लेते हैं, स्क्रिप्ट सुनने के बाद रिएक्शन कुछ नहीं देना होता है। वेरी गुड, तारीफ करो उनकी। सब कब कर रहे हैं? बोले ओ अप्रैल में दूसरा टेस्ट के प्रॉब्लम।
तो सर दिक्कत तब होती है जब वो छोड़ भी डेट बताइए तब करते हैं।
हमारा एक प्लस पॉइंट क्या था ना सर कि हम लोग 21 साल थ्रू आउट चलते रहे सीआईडी में, तो हमारे पास ये था कि देयर इज अ शो हैपनिंग, तो हम जा नहीं सकते हैं, वी शूट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 25 to 28 डेज जो था उस वक्त, तो हमको ज्यादा एक्सक्यूज देने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी। हाँ, एक होता था कि आप कितना दे सकते हैं, व्हाट्स योर बजट, उस पर हम प्ले करेंगे। इतना मुंह खोल दो कि वैसे वो कुर्सी सरका लेंगे।
ना करने का पड़ेगा।
हाँ,
Pratik, one serious question also, since you have worked in the corporate world for so long, and now you came into films, and for Shraddha it's kind of vice versa. From films she is gone and now exploring corporate. One thing which you want to borrow from the corporate world, which should be there in the films, and vice versa?
So yeah, I think that's a constant discussion and debate about standardization in the creative field. And it's a huge debate, it's an endless debate. कि हम creative लोग हैं, if we are in the creative field, you cannot put time limitations or budget limitations beyond the point. There are no limitations because it's such a creative world.
जितनी मुझे लगती है कि मुझे होनी चाहिए, तो अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये इतनी अच्छी चीज़ है ना कि क्यों ना वो लाइफ का एक एक्चुअली हिस्सा बनाओ. किताब लो, एक अच्छे कोने पे बैठो, घंटों पढ़ते रहो, और इतना डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो रहा है, इतना नॉइज है आजकल, बट दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल प्रोसेस ऑफ योर लाइफ, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग दिस प्रॉब्ली यू आर मिसिंग समथिंग, एंड दिस विल एनरिच योर लाइफ. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं ये करूँ, और तो मुझे लगता है आप लोगों को भी करना है तो आप भी करिएगा.
That's sweet. Thank you so much. Thanks to Tidal Wave, thanks Shraddha, thanks Prateek for coming here. Thanks to all of you to be here. It's lovely. To me personally, it's very overwhelming. मैंने शुरुआत में भी कहा था, मैं भी प्रोसेस कर रही हूँ. अब इसके बाद शायद नहीं कर पाऊँगी.
तृप्ति पहली बार बॉम्बे आई है और सीधा इधर,
और सीधे स्टार्टअप में. Love the feeling. It's very amazing to be here. Thank you so much for your patience, everyone. इसके बाद you guys can interact, but I would request all of you, for the actor friends, to please come on the stage. We can click pictures with the book. Please do. We generally do like side plays.
आपने बहुत अटेंड किए होंगे ना ऐसे होंगे.
Everybody look up, please.
Okay, roll.
Just wait, guys. Guys, let's do a cheer. Ready? On our show.
मी दिसतच नाहीये. दिसत नाहीये. Oh, this one.
3, 2, 1, go. Cheers.
Hello, for done?
Okay, guys, ready? Look here, please. Sir, look here.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.